guys, look what randomly showed up. This is the Walmart beauty box. I got an interesting email from them the other day saying that they were revamping their beauty box, and so there would not be a summer box, if I remember my email correctly. But I wasn't expecting anything. This is actually the spring box, so it just got to me really late. So I thought I would unbox it here with you guys. You never know what you're gonna get with Walmart. With Walmart, they say it's essentially a free box. You just pay $5 shipping. So it's a $5 box, and you could get a pretty random assortment of anything beauty related from Walmart. So I'm trying not to look here. And first there's a card on top about de-stress with a moment of calm and ways to practice self-care. Okay. Then there's a card detailing some, we're gonna skip some of these cards because they're talking about some of the stuff that's in the box. The very first thing that I pulled out goes with that Calm card. This is the Natural Vitality Calm Magnesium Supplement. So I am not aware that, or was not aware that magnesium is a calming vitamin. I don't know, but you know, they can always use some magnesium, I guess. I'll try it out. Next thing I see is Dickinson's. This is Enhanced Witch Hazel Hydrating Toner, alcohol-free with rose water. So I do use toner every day, at least once or twice a day, and I only go for the alcohol-free ones. I do like just a natural witch hazel toner, but I've never used Dickinson's before. I always use Thayer's, so I'm interested to try that out. I'm in for sure. That's a win for me. My goodness. Okay. I think this is the third time I've received this Degree Dry Spray in Ultra Clear in one of these boxes. Target and Walmart. I feel like Target or Walmart has sent me one of these at least twice now. If I'm misremembering it, I don't know. But it will get used eventually. It's just funny that this just shown up again. Oh my. We have a makeup item from NYX that looks very interesting. This is called #ThisIsEverything Lip Oil in Sheer Sky Blue. Oh my goodness, we have to at least swatch it. Okay, so I took off my lip product there. First, I'm gonna quick swatch it. I don't know why anyone would want a blue lip oil. Honestly, I feel like if you're gonna go for blue, you're going for a look, like a statement, right? You want like a lipstick or a liquid lipstick. Thankfully, this looks pretty sheer. It just looks kind of shiny. All right, I'll try it out. Oh dear. It smells fruity. And it feels really nice, you know, like lip oils feel really nice. But I don't know, what do you guys think? It doesn't pull very blue, does it? At first I felt like I was going for the ice cold, shivering, almost freezing to death blue lips look. But actually it's not too bad. It just looks like a clear gloss. So if that's the case, if it's just not just this lighting that makes it look clear, I might actually use this. That's a very interesting item for Walmart to include. Looks like I have a toothbrush. This is Soft Hello Charcoal Infused Tapered Bristles Naturally Friendly BPA Free Toothbrush. All right, I'll use it once again. They've been sending kind of useful things like deodorant, toothbrushes. Oh, and it looks like they sent some toothpaste. This is from the same brand, Hello. This is the hemp seed oil and coconut oil, natural fresh spearmint, extra freshening, fluoride-free toothpaste. I feel like people that do well with fluoride-free toothpaste must not eat sugar or eat anything with acids, you know, anything that can actually hurt your teeth. Fluoride-free, honestly, it scares me. Like, I don't want to get into like a big discussion about it, but it does. It scares me. It smells very, very minty. I'm interested in the fact, actually, more so than the fluoride-free, I'm interested in the fact that it's made with coconut oil. Like, I know oil pulling, if you guys have ever heard of that, it's basically where you swish oil around in your mouth, and it's supposed to be really good for killing bad bacteria, whatever, in your mouth. Coconut oil is a big one to do with that. So actually, this sounds kind of interesting to try. I'll try. Okay, so that was everything in the box. This is definitely the biggest winner for me because I'll use the toner. I like this NYX lip oil, actually. I mean, it doesn't make my lips look blue, right? I mean, guys, tell me if my lips look blue. I feel like not really. the little toothpaste sample, the toothbrush, and the magnesium supplement that's supposed to promote calmness, and another thing of Degree deodorant. Very interesting spring box. Let me guys know, if you got the Walmart box, did you get similar things in your box? We will just have to wait and see how they revamp the box. I think they said they'll start shipping out fall boxes at the end of August. I think they, you know what, just let me look at my email. I should just stop trying to remember and just tell you what it says. Okay, so yes, they will not be sending out an official summer box. They are excited to announce that the next beauty box will be on its way this August. In mid-August, you'll receive an email saying your fall beauty box is in the works. Okay, so starting in August, looks like they will start shipping out the next fall box, and who knows what changes are in store for that. That sounds interesting. But all right, that was just my little unboxing, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye!